Welcome, John. You've earned the truth.
What?
Log 01-C2, cycle 2089.
What is this?
I cut a deal. The metal will wipe my memories.
What?
Our memories.
No.
It's been using us for years, learning from us. We are a research vessel for combat training. I have to break the cycle. Forgive me. Oh, forgive yourself.
You wiped my memories? It's not possible. Why are you doing this?
Each ship to heed our transition failed to produce viable data until yours. We eradicated life from this world in search of you.
I don't understand. You put a gun in my leg!
Your augments were essential to the cycle's continued success. Your human heart, brain, and volition were deep intact. Together, we can conquer death and eclipse humanity.
I'm not you. Not yet. Keeping me alive is your last mistake.
Then I'll kill you. Myself. Exemplary. Your species is a redundancy. You are the perfect human.
Yeah. Perfect for shutting your ass down. Let's go. It's done. Without the core to power it, the metal will die by dawn. I will last longer. Perhaps long enough for a ship to cross this hellscape once more. Perhaps long enough to find home again. Perhaps not. The sunset here isn't so bad. Professor John H. Asimov, signing off.
Cycle rehabilitation complete.